Welcome to the video on performing an inspection using the Centix OnSite app. With Centix's standard checklists, you can carry out your inspection quickly and easily. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to conduct a ladder and step inspection using the Centix OnSite app. You can get started quickly by scanning the QR code sticker on the ladder or step, or by entering the ID, serial number, or other specifications. Scanning the QR code makes accessing the object quick and easy. The Object Master Card is divided into several tabs. Under the Inspections tab, you will find all the information about the inspection and its validity. Using the linked Object MI Plan schedule, you can open the inspection, which will then display the ladder and step inspection checklist. The questions, instructions, and comments are divided into steps and can be assessed one by one. It is also possible to answer an entire group of questions at once. Standard deviation lists can be created for each question, leaving the inspector with almost no typing to do. If you come across a deviation that is not on the standard list, you can add it as a new deviation. During the inspection, you may find that the support bracket is missing. With the app, you can easily take a photo and add markings. Once all questions have been answered, the results screen will open automatically and the inspection can be completed. The inspection is saved, the object status is updated, and the certificate is created automatically. From the Object Master Card, you can easily retrieve the certificate. With a well-executed inspection, you ensure safety and security. Thank you for watching.